Welcome to Bathwick Town. Let's drive the X50 route from Bathwick Coach Station to the newly added Eden project. I won't be stopping at any stops because, well, there's no passengers. But I'll put this into point for X speed so you can watch me drive. Let's go! This game's roads are very detailed. There are also trams and even cars in this game. We'll be checking out the cars later. Don't worry, I'm not actually speeding. It's just the video speed. This is Metro Center Park. We're arriving at Eden Project. This place is very well detailed. It was only added a matter of weeks ago. Let's drive down this road and pull into the bus stop. Oops, wrong way. Here we are at Eden Project. Now, let's check out the cars. To get to the cars, click on Drive Then Cars and choose the car you want. Let's pick the Citroën Ami as our first car. We'll spawn at Jericho Turning Circle so we're close to the motorway. Here we go. This looks so goofy, haha. Let's put this clip into 0.6x speed as it goes a long way. Oh my god, it's like what happened in Dorset County episode 1. Check that video out after this one. Virgin Atlantic Boeing 747. It might look like we're just going fast because the video is playing at 2.6x speed, but we are actually going really fast. Obviously, not as fast as the video makes it. I think we're almost there now. We're heading to Arnold's Interchange, one of the main bus stations in this game. Okay, we're very close to Arnold. Here we are, not too busy as it usually is. You can see the train tracks below, very cool. Alright, let's change to an Audi R8 and see how quick it is. Let's spawn at Broadfield and follow the 40 route to the airport. The airport is very detailed. You can check it out for yourself too. Game link in the description or just search Bathwick Town. Here we go. The first 30 seconds will be raw footage of how fast this thing goes. For some reason, it's not as fast as the Citroën Ami, but in real life it's 10x faster than it. Anyways, let's speed up to 2.1x speed. Makes things go a lot faster. there. I'm so bad at driving. On the motorway to the airport, it's like going on holiday. Here we are. Let's go this way. Let's leave the vehicle now. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribing would really help me and the channel, so I'd really appreciate it if you do. See you tomorrow!